Hi guys, today I'm going to solve a Leetcode problem. The problem number is 540, single element in a sorted array. So in this question, we are given a sorted array consisting of only integers, in which every element appears twice, but except one element that does not appear basically. So we need to return that element as our output. So for the example one, as you can see, every element is duplicated except 2, right? So 2 is our output. Similarly, in example 2, every element is duplicated except the value 10. So that is our output. Okay. So let's go to Visual Studio and try to solve this problem. So what I have done up till now is I have copy pasted the integer array, the first example, which expects an output 2, and this is my second example. So I will debug both and try to solve this issue. So what I wanted to do was very simple. I wanted to use a group by clause using where filter and do a select the first item. Basically, that is like it should be a one-step process. Okay, let's do a var result, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this and do a group by dot group by. Okay, group by. Okay, let's do this x such that x. Okay. Okay, and then let's just go through step by step so that you would also understand, right? So let's since what I'm expecting when I actually say group by is I'm trying to group by each element. Okay, so one would be grouped by having count 2, right? 2 will be also in a group but having count 1, right? And 3 will be also in a group having count 2. So every element will have a count. Every duplicated element will have a count 2 except 2, which will have a count of 1. So that is what I am actually expecting when I say I want to group by something. I want to group my array. Okay. So as you can see, the keys are the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the count here for these keys are 2, uh, 2, and except the value 2, everything has a count of 2. Okay, so let's just do var result here, and just step by step I will solve this problem where x such that x dot count, right? I said the count is I want the item that has a count equals to 1. So which is that item? That item should be right, the value 2, right? So that is what I want. Okay, dot count result 1. Okay, just let's just say dot count. Okay, dot, oh sorry, it is in a group by clause. I cannot do this. And the count and the aggregate function need to be used in with the group by clause. Okay, so that is one reason I cannot do that. Dot count is equals to, so 1. Okay, so what it will give me is this value 2. Okay, so let's just restart this and then see. Okay, so the key that is giving me is 2, which has a count of 1, right? So what we need to do is we need to select this now, right? Select this and this key, right? Key, right? So what would I have now is I would have that, let's say, okay, let's debug again. Here you go. So I have I enumerable of int, and in that I would have a value 2, right? So so for that value I need to select it, so I need to do dot first on it. Okay, so what would I have now? I would have is int variable. Okay, so this is int. So when I did dot select, it will select the enumerable of int, right? So we need to loop through it, or we need to select dot first. We need to select the first item on it. Basically right now we are selecting the first item. Otherwise we need to iterate and then select item. Okay, so if I had more than one item in this, let's say if I have something like 9 here, it would give me here 2, and I'm just trying to explain you better, like, so that you understand. Okay, so it will give me 2 and 9. So I could select 2 or 9, if depending upon what value I want, right? But for now, I just want two because that is the first item, right? So I would just do dot first item. So that is it. That's the whole um, key whole logic. Okay, so let's just do it one more time, and then you two, right? So this is an int, so I will just type int here, right? And now let's move on to the next question, next example. Let's just comment this out and then copy this, right? Copy this and then two curly braces, put this together and put that. So in this, what you have to return is 10, right? So it is same logic, right? So I am expecting 10 here, basically. Yes, 10. Okay, good. So both the examples, it returns this the expected value. So let's put this question code in action and see if we can solve this issue. So basically, I can do is return this. I know the return is int, right? And then dot first. Here you go. So that's a one line answer. So we can make it a little bit prettier like this. So dot here, dot select. Okay, dot first. That's it. Dot first. There you go. Okay. Okay, run all my test cases first. Perfect. Submit it. Great. Oh, completion streak 1 day. Perfect. I got something. Leetcode. Okay, guys, this is the answer, and it is runtime is 144 milliseconds. Please feel free to like, and I'll come up with more Leetcode answers. And thank you for watching.